morning. Thank you for calling Royal Restaurant. My name is Jada Peñara. How may I help you?
Hello, I would like to make reservation.
Okay, ma'am. May I have your name and contact number for the reservation?
My name is Hannah Joy and my contact number is 0977-3146-402.
Thank you, Miss Hannah Joy. How many people will be joining you for the reservation?
It will be for two people.
Great. When would you like to make the reservation for?
I would like to make reservation at this Saturday at 7 p.m.
Thank you for waiting. We have availability for two people on Saturday at 7 p.m. Your reservation is confirmed. May I ask, what is your preferred location? Is it smoking or non-smoking area?
Non-smoking area, please.
Are you celebrating a particular occasion, ma'am?
It's just a regular dinner with my boyfriend.
Okay then. Do you have any special request to make?
No, thank you.
Okay, Miss Hannah Joy, may I repeat the table reservation details? A table for two people, this Saturday at 7 p.m. in the name of Miss Hannah Joy. And your telephone number is 0977-3146-402. Is that the detail correct, ma'am?
Yes, you said it correctly.
Anything else, ma'am?
Nothing else.
Thank you for choosing Golden Royal Restaurant for the reservation. Miss Hannah Joy, we look forward to welcoming you on Saturday at 7 p.m. Have a great day.
Thank you. See you soon.